y'all doing today? My name is Jay Danberg with MarineMax Panama City Beach, and we are on the beautiful 2020 Grady-White 275 Freedom. This is one of Grady's most popular models, and this is one of the only ones with the Yamaha Helmmaster here, joystick. So we are thrilled to have this boat. It's extremely well equipped. It has the full hull color, which is Seaport Blue, underneath the hardtop matching. Electric slide out here, lounge. You've got the twin 200 Yamahas, windlass anchor, great coverage for the family, great seating, and you can also do some pretty serious fishing on it. So if you are interested, come by Panama City Beach here on Thomas Drive and come check out this Grady-White 275 Freedom. Thank you.